Gene and his entire family have been just absolutely amazing. They have also enabled the space we're standing in right now, that is now known as the Eugene P. Beard Center for Student Success.
When Dean McFarland took me through here, I was in awe of what this was. It turned out okay in every regard. It was great.
We have used the flexible space to meet and discuss ideas, brainstorm content for our podcast and our social media pages.
So it's provided a great opportunity for the integrative and the collaborative nature of how business is.
Gene has also been instrumental over the years in helping support our efforts in ethics.
I wanted to name a special university endowed chair after Eugene Beard to express our appreciation to all he represents for future generations at this university.
My view on seeing that was spectacular. It was just really very powerful.